Hello, I'm Dr. Thomas. Today, I want to begin with a very simple but important question. Have you ever gone for just a short walk and suddenly felt your legs heavy, slightly swollen, or aching? Or have you ever woken up in the morning to find your knees stiff, difficult to bend or stretch, or your calves tingling in ways you never felt before? Have you ever asked yourself, is this just aging? If you're in your 60s or 70s, please know you are not alone. These symptoms are very common, but here's what most people don't realize. They are not simply signs of natural aging. In fact, they are warning signals from your body, telling you that something deeper is changing, specifically that collagen, the vital protein that keeps your joints, blood vessels, and skin strong and resilient, is severely declining. Did you know that by age 60, your body's collagen levels may drop by as much as 75% compared to your younger years? Think of it this way. Collagen is like the framework, the cushioning, and the glue that holds everything together. When it fades, the pillars inside your body, your knees, ankles, ligaments, and blood vessels, lose their stability. Your legs become heavy, swelling becomes more common after walking, your knees lose flexibility, and blood circulation slows. Small changes, yes, but they have profound effects on your balance, mobility, and daily energy. Let me share an example. One of my patients, Helen, age 67, would wake up every morning needing to push herself up from a chair because her calves ached, her knees were stiff, and her legs swelled after just a few steps around the house. She thought, this must just be old age. But when I explained to her the role of collagen, how it helps joints stay flexible, keeps circulation flowing, and maintains skin elasticity, she realized her symptoms weren't destiny, but signals that her body was missing a critical building material. So what is collagen and why is it so important? Let me explain in simple terms. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. It forms the scaffolding for your joints, tendons, ligaments, blood vessels, and skin. Think of it as the cement and steel beams in a building. Without it, the structure weakens, causing pain, stiffness, and reduced movement. As collagen declines, joints lose their natural cushioning. You walk just a few steps and already feel heaviness. Stiffness sets into the knees, and calves fatigue more quickly. At the same time, your skin loses elasticity, bruises easily, and poor circulation makes swelling worse. Have you noticed these signs yourself? Even something small, like heavy legs after a short walk or tingling calves after standing too long, is an important reminder your body is low on collagen. And here's the part most people overlook. Collagen is not just any protein. It is the foundational element that maintains your body's structure, flexibility, and resilience. Without it, you don't just get sore joints or swollen legs. You lose confidence in your stride, your balance weakens, and your risk of falls increases. In today's video, I'll share with you the best collagen-rich foods, how to use them, and simple daily habits that can help you restore collagen naturally, reduce swelling, and protect your joints. I'll also tell you real patient stories to help you see exactly how collagen can transform your daily mobility. Did you know that some everyday foods you may have overlooked can actually help your joints move more smoothly and reduce swelling in just a few weeks? Imagine this. Every collagen-rich meal is like adding a new brick of repair, slowly but surely helping your body stand stronger and move with ease. And remember, collagen is not an optional choice. It is an essential foundation for maintaining movement, balance, and independence as you age. With just a few simple and consistent steps, you can keep your legs strong, your joints flexible, and swelling under control, even well into your 60s and 70s. Hello again, I'm Dr. Thomas. Today we'll dive deeper into how to restore collagen, especially to keep your legs steady, your joints flexible, and swelling reduced even after age 60. I want you to imagine your body as a building. Your joints, blood vessels, and soft tissues all need building materials, and collagen is the key ingredient. Let's begin with a simple example. Gelatin. This is not the sweet dessert you may be thinking of. Gelatin is essentially hydrolyzed collagen, already pre-digested, containing glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the three amino acids that make up nearly 70% of the collagen in your body. For people over 60, digestion and protein absorption often slow down, so gelatin is a gentle but powerful solution. I remember one of my patients, Carol, age 72. At first she was skeptical, but when she began adding 1 spoonful of gelatin to her morning tea, within just 6 weeks, she could walk her entire driveway without stopping to rest. Isn't that incredible? Next is liver, what I call the collagen construction tool. Liver doesn't just provide protein, it's rich in vitamin A, copper, zinc, and glycine, all essential for collagen production. One of my patients, Eileen, age 75, used to suffer from swollen knees, sagging skin, and unsteady legs. After adding just 1 ounce of liver each week, combined with vitamin C-rich foods, her knee swelling decreased, her skin firmed up, and she regained confidence in walking. This shows us that collagen isn't just protein. It needs its biological partners to work effectively. Another source you cannot overlook is bone broth. It contains collagen types 1, 2, and 3, along with glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid. Drinking 1 cup a day can reduce cramping, increase joint flexibility, and improve circulation in the legs. I recall my patient George, age 76. After 5 weeks of drinking bone broth every morning, he was able to walk around his house without needing to stop and rest. His legs felt lighter and stronger. And let's not forget bone marrow, what I call the deep repair team for joints. It provides collagen types 1 and 2, hyaluronic acid, and glycosaminoglycans, which lubricate joints, reduce swelling, and support circulation. One of my patients, Harold, age 78, began eating roasted bone marrow twice a week. Within a month, his joints felt less stiff, his legs lighter, and walking became much easier. The key is small, consistent habits. You don't need to eat all of these foods every day. Add them gradually, a spoonful here, a cup there, and stay consistent for 2 to 3 weeks. You will notice results: less stiffness, lighter legs, firmer skin, and easier movement. Here's one more expert tip. Always pair vitamin C with collagen sources like liver, bone broth, or bone marrow. Vitamin C acts as the biological partner that allows your body to synthesize collagen effectively. You can add citrus fruits, strawberries, or leafy greens to your meals for this purpose. And don't forget gentle movement, walking, squats, or calf raises. When combined with collagen-rich foods, the results double. Movement signals to your body that muscles and joints need building materials, so collagen is directed exactly where it's needed. Collagen not only nourishes joints, but also helps rebuild blood vessels and connective tissues, improving circulation in your legs and reducing heaviness, tingling, and calf pain. When paired with polyphenol-rich foods like berries, green tea, or pomegranate, you also fight chronic inflammation, boost protein absorption, and protect your joints even further. Finally, never underestimate the psychological effect. When your legs feel steady, walking is comfortable, and swelling is reduced, your whole body feels stronger. That confidence motivates you to keep eating well, moving daily, and maintaining healthy habits long term. As one patient told me, after just a few weeks of collagen plus light exercise, she felt like she had regained her freedom with every step. And that is the true motivation to continue. Before we wrap up today, I want you to pause for a moment and ask yourself, have you truly invested in your muscles and joints the way you care for your heart, your eyes, or your brain? Have you ever woken up after a full night's sleep, but still felt heavy legs, joint aches, and wondered, why am I exercising regularly but still not improving? This is the moment we realize that collagen, from gelatin, liver, bone marrow, or bone broth, is not just food, but a tool for rebuilding the framework of your bones, joints, and legs. I remember one of my patients, Linda, 67 years old. She had tried every supplement and exercised regularly, but her muscles and joints still felt weak. When she began combining a protein-rich breakfast with vitamins B12, B6, and a little healthy fat, within just a few weeks, she told me, I feel my muscles are firmer, my joints more flexible, and I have energy that lasts all day. Small changes, done consistently and correctly, created lasting results. Think of your muscles and joints as a construction site. Collagen is the bricks, vitamin B12 is the foreman, vitamin B6 is the truck delivering materials, and healthy fats are the lubricant that keeps everything running smoothly. If one piece is missing or delayed, construction halts. But when all parts work together perfectly, your muscles and joints recover, grow stronger, more flexible, and you walk with confidence. Another example from my clinic, Robert, 70, went to the gym regularly but often felt drained in the mornings. When he started a breakfast of eggs, salmon, a little butter, plus B12 and B6, within weeks his morning energy increased, his muscles felt firmer, and his workouts became more effective. This proves that timing and synergy matter more than simply eating or supplementing in isolation. One tip I always remind my patients: consistency matters more than quantity. You don't need to overload on vitamins or consume huge amounts of protein. What's important is daily habits at the right time, aligned with your body's natural rhythm. A small action repeated each day builds strong muscles, stable energy, and reduces the risk of muscle loss as you age. And never forget, muscles and joints are not just about aesthetics or temporary strength. They are organs of longevity. They stabilize blood sugar, regulate hormones, control inflammation, protect your joints, and reduce the risk of falls. When you invest in recovery each morning, you're not only building strength for today, you're protecting your health and energy for the years ahead. Before we conclude, I want you to ask yourself, tonight, what will you do to ensure your muscles and joints recover optimally tomorrow? Will you prepare eggs, salmon, and a little butter? Will you add B12 and B6 alongside protein? Or perhaps try a protein smoothie with nuts and banana? A small choice practiced consistently will bring long-term results. Remember, every morning you wake up stronger is proof of the small, well-timed choices you made the night before. Start today. One small but consistent step can transform your quality of life for years to come. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more science-based tips to keep your muscles and joints strong, your energy steady, and your longevity supported. Turn every breakfast and every small habit into a muscle and joint construction project, so your body stays flexible, strong, and full of vitality.